Up everybody, it's your boy Mal here today, and sorry for the lack of videos recently. It was because I had to get my phone repaired because it broke, so the bottom part and the screen broke, so I had to get it repaired. Yeah, and those pictures of when I went to the NRM or edits, obviously, because I edited them into the Diesel, Steven, Murdoch, Ari, and Bert. They were ticking on my dad's phone, because I had to borrow his for a while. But anyways, I'm going to be showing off customs I've recently finished. One is an update, and the other is a one that I was making while my phone was getting repaired. And so here are my custom Thomas and Riley updated Atlas and Stanley. No, not this Stanley. This one. But anyways, I'll do the updated Atlas first. If this is my updated Atlas, I gave it a new face because it fell and the face got smashed. So I had to fix it and make a new domes for it and a whistle and so forth. The face is from a Take Along Thomas that I had when I was a kid, but with added eyelashes. In case you're wondering what happened to their face, I put it here with the other faces that I don't really use anymore, spares and so forth. So yeah, that's my Hood and Railway updated Atlas. Anyway, for our next custom. Now this is the one that I was making while my phone was getting repaired. It's a custom of Stanley, the pumping engine. It was turned into a pumping engine due to his reckless behavior. He never appeared in the TV series, as his role was replaced by Smudger. Oh, and just to let you know, I have both Smudger and Stanley in my series, because in my series, Stanley was brought to replace Smudger after he got turned into a generator. And he also later got moved to Cosme Helen and at the mines, but then he broke down and it flooded. And yeah, sorry about that. Let me go on to how I made the model. Basically, the model was made from a old Thomas Wooden Railway duck with the back bit removed. Well, I tried hard to make it as smooth as I could. Okay, I also cut a bit of that off there and repainted the face. And those bits were added on by plasticine, and the MSR and the number 2 were done in deco pens, and I also painted the bottom bit black. Now, before you're asking, why couldn't have you used Freddy? Well, I've only got one Wooden Railway Freddy, so I didn't really see the chance of doing it. So I got the inspiration from Eli J. Brony's customer Stanley, which he showcased in one of his videos along with customs of A.G. DeMallard. I thought it was making Axel at first, and Dexter. Yeah, and he also used the stock to make his, but the only difference, he used a Duncan face for his, while mine is basically just a wooden railway duck repainted face. Yeah, and so yeah, that's sort of been my custom updated Atlas and Stanley, the Mitsoda engine. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.